Hey, so you know about us, and you really have some questions about what are the subjects that we will be teaching, how much time it's going to take, what would be the syllabus of those subjects, how much is going to cost, and what would be the advantages to you. So before we talk about all that, I would request you to have a little bit of patience because patience is critical to become a software developer because software development is actually a craft which requires a lot of passion, a lot of persistence, and and thoughtful working. Okay, so I'm hoping that this suits you because only then the rest of the conversation, rest of the video is going to make sense. All right. So before we move ahead, we'll talk about what is it that we are going to be doing here. We will talk about what do we do, how does it help, and how do we do it. Okay. So I'll tell, I'll explain what do we do by using an example. So what you look at on your screen are actually four developers, which is Khyati, Pratna, Mukesh, and Jatin. They have been working with us while they were in the third year of engineering, and they developed with us quite a few utilities. Lot many of them are relevant for life coaches. So what you see on the screen are the life coaches, the world known life coaches, Tony Robbins and Arfin Khan. These people and many other life coaches like them help their clients reach their full potential by finding the blocks, finding their strategies, and helping them give a specific path for their own success. And for that, they need different kind of tools. So we are demonstrating one of the tool that our team, this development team, which was in the engineering itself, developed for us, and which is being used by the life one of the life coaching firm. So here we go and look at the demo. So this is one tool that they developed, which requires the clients to identify their core values because core values are the ones which defines how the people are going to lead their life. As you can see on the screen, there are more than 350 values to choose from, and we need to select just the 6 of them. Because it's a large number to select, we need a phased approach. So the strategy is to, in the first cut, select as many qualities, as many core values that clients resonate with, which is minimum should be 24. So this is the tool that allows you to select that those many qualities. As you can see, as we are selecting these qualities here or the core values here, the number is increasing up here. So once we do that and we have a selection of more than 24 qualities, I've done this to make it simple for you, to make it faster. So let's say we selected 33 qualities, and once we submit these 33, you will see the screen would change and we would have 24 qualities, right? Let me just show you here. So once you submit, this tool wants you to select 24 qualities that you most resonate with. Then once you have done that, you are supposed to select 6 qualities out of them, which we have already selected. And once we submit these this 24 qualities, right? Once we select these 6 qualities, we get this screen wherein we are supposed to order them the way using the drag and drop. So this is how we get these 6 qualities, and once you submit, you see a screen like this. So this is the outcome of this tool, which looks simple, but it's incredibly valuable for the clients, and it uses very interesting pieces of technology. So I'm going to share the pieces of technology being used and how much time it took and what my development team learned through this process. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. All right. So the development team, the students that we worked with us, they developed this tool in JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, AWS Lambda API Gateway, and DynamoDB. All these technologies they have never worked in the past. So they got the training, they got the mentoring and the guidance to be able to pick up these technologies on their own. So the idea here is in the industry we are looking forward to the people who are capable of learning anything, and this kind of demonstrate how people are capable to learn anything that they need to solve a specific problem. They also use these frameworks and technologies that are widely used in the industry today, and they also they also embraced concepts which are key for most of the software development today. All right. So this is how they grow. The development team grown in the area of technology and then the concepts. Apart from this, the development team happened to gain because of they were working together and in under mentoring and guidance. So they were able to bring so many things into their attitude which are critical for their success. So regarding the attitude, they also got improved the soft skills, and they also developed certain personality traits which are critical for their growth. Now, why, like, now this is the value that you see, and how does it help you is because when you decide to become a software developer, you typically go for courses, either you go to an institution or you do some online courses, right? Definitely that gives you capability or the way to work with a specific language or the technology. But to, when you get an opportunity to use those tools and technologies to build something useful, you have higher degree of confidence, and that reflects in the interviews and in the interactions when you go for a job interview. Now, with this, as you are being mentored to embrace deeper underlying concepts, you also become much more confident, and your clarity is much higher and when you are talking to the people and you're developing newer things. So this is what you gain when you work with this kind of a process where you learn by building stuff. Okay. So this is how we operate when you choose to work with us, even if you do not have any prior background into software development, we will help you gain the essential coding capabilities, fundamental coding capabilities, and we will use Java as a language of choice. Then we will make you work with some pre-built projects. You will build them again. Of course, that has been built in the past. And using those pre-built projects, you will build your muscles with picking up different technologies and solving problems. And this is going to take around 2 to 3 months, which is the work stage. And then finally, you will be in a continuous stage for as long as it's possible for you to work on live projects where you will be contributing to the solution, developing the solutions for the real problems that we had at hand. Now, during this process, you will be guided. You will be guided and supported to embrace the core concepts of the software development. You will be trained, you will be coached. Of course, there would be no classroom sessions, but in the context you will be learned, and you will be helped to see how you're growing different things. And you will also be, of course, depending on the time, you will also be embracing a lot many engineering skills. So this makes you a full-fledged software developer. So the advantage of or the benefits of being in this journey with us is that you will earn an experience certificate when you are in the live, when you actually do the live projects with us, that you can use to to grab to actually apply for the jobs which requires experience. If you have only built you have only been with us till you build the projects which are pre-built, you'll get an internship certificate. And when you work on the live projects with us, you will also be recommended for jobs which are suitable for your capabilities and your skills. And apart from that, because you have built live projects, this would lead to a better professional profile for you. And of course, there are other benefits as well that you get out of the mentorship and the guidance, right? One such advantage is that you will be part of a network which would help you grow throughout your life with a structured process. So with this, we come to an end of this introduction. I hope I was able to answer most of your questions. Regarding the pricing and the other thing, well, if you decide to work with us, we'll talk about it. But this is it for now. And this is the time for you to act. So we have our the connection details or contact details here. So I'm sure you're excited and you want to work with us. Please get in touch with us so that we can take you forward. So looking forward to work with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.